Expand your vocabulary and use these words instead. Very cold, freezing. Very hot, scorching. Very nice, kind. Very mean, cruel. Very sorry, apologetic. And very lazy, idle. Let's use these in some sentences. It's very cold in this room. Whew. It's freezing in this room. It's very hot outside. It's scorching outside. That's very nice of her. That's kind of her. That's very mean. That's cruel. Don't do it anymore. He's very sorry. He's apologetic. He wishes he didn't do it. Don't be very lazy. Don't be idle. Go and clean your room. Try these sentences out and let me know how they go.